besties, welcome back to another episode of Lidho's Nail Art Designs. Today I will be creating Hello Kitty nail set. This design is beginner friendly and you can do this design at home with some tools. On my index finger I have applied light pink and on my middle finger I have applied white. For applying base coat, you guys have to make sure that you have applied base coat. Applied white on the thumb finger. Let's make our nail sparkle. We have to apply glitter in a dabbing motion. For getting that shine, let's draw our kitty in the ring finger. We have to draw a horizontal and vertical line. Now let's connect this for getting the perfect shape. Here comes the fun part. Let's draw the ears of our kitty. Follow the exact steps shown in this video, and also if you have any doubts you are free to ask. Let's fill the remaining area. Let it dry. On the middle finger I am trying to create leopard print nail art. Place some dots. Don't place in a perfect circle, you have to create a rough shape. This nail art is simple, aesthetic and totally trend approved. There are still more to do, but we have to wait till it is dry. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned with Lidho's Nail Art Design for learning more trending nail art designs. I will be doing the same design on the thumb as well. Small inspiration. Add stamps to our nail design. Once every step has completed, we have to wait for let it dry. Now draw a cute little bow. Place 2 dots and try to bring them to the center. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow for more trending nail art inspiration. Let's complete our leopard nails. Tiny strokes near each dot. Don't try to make it perfect because leopard print never appears perfect. Hope you guys have understood by what I meant. As we are trying to create leopard print, there is no leopard with perfect print. Nature completes with little imperfections. We have to work gently and remember to clean our tools in between so that we don't create any mess. This design proves that we don't need any professional tool to create trending nails at home, and these nails are cute, stylish and totally viral right now. For beginners, I recommend short nail because they are easier to manage. If you guys want a video about how to shape our nails, say in the comments, then my next video will be about that. I will be doing the same with the middle finger. My next live will be coming soon. I want your support. There are many type of animal print nail art available. This is one among that. If you want to know more about that, say in the comments, and also say which nail art should I try next. Nail art takes practice and every attempt make you perfect. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Simple tool, simple design, easy to follow. Don't forget to apply top coat after you have done your design. I have finished the kitting by drawing some cute facial expressions. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned with Lidho's Nail Art Design and thank you for watching. See you all in next week. Till then, tata.